Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor loading errors. If you've been experiencing issues where Elementor won't load properly or gets stuck on the loading screen, this guide will help you resolve those frustrating problems quickly. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you'll access all the settings and controls needed to troubleshoot the issue. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the Appearance section. Click on Appearance, then select Themes from the drop-down menu. This will show you all the themes currently installed on your WordPress site. Now, here's an important troubleshooting step. You want to switch to a default WordPress theme to rule out any theme conflicts. Look for a default theme like 2025 in your theme library. Once you've found it, click on it, and then click the Activate button. This temporarily switches your site to a basic theme, which helps identify whether your current theme is causing the Elementor loading issue. Give it a moment to activate, as this change needs to process across your site. If you're still experiencing loading problems after switching themes, there's another setting we need to check. Look at the upper right corner of your WordPress dashboard where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Edit My Profile. This will take you to your user profile settings page. Scroll down through your profile settings until you find an option labeled Syntax Highlighting. This feature can sometimes interfere with Elementor's editor. Click on the drop-down menu next to Syntax Highlighting and change it to None. After making this selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Update Profile to save your changes. Now for the final step that often resolves persistent loading errors. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Elementor in the left sidebar and click on it. From the submenu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings page loads, click on the Advanced tab at the top. Here you'll find various technical options for Elementor. Look for an option called Switch Editor Loader Method. Toggle this setting to enable. This changes how Elementor loads its editor and can fix loading issues caused by server configurations or conflicts. Once you've enabled it, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply this setting. And that's it. These steps should resolve most Elementor loading errors you might encounter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.